Hey everybody, stepping in for Chris Gorman. Usually does the Cypress Point update, but he is his wife is in early labor right now. Well, she's kind of on time, meaning early labor that it could be 24 hours plus of labor. So we're all anxiously awaiting, but wanted to provide an update. We've had some great progress at Cypress Point. Clubhouse is done, open, TCO. Our team is on site. We're doing in-person tours. It's fantastic. Very, very excited for that. We're expecting our TCO for our first building, I believe, is June 1. And completion is still tracking around October of 2026. I was down there about 2-3 weeks ago. The property is coming out fantastic. Hands down, one of the nicest clubhouses we've done. You know, for a boutique style deal of 180 units on kind of a tight suburban, urban retail feel where it's walkable to neighboring retail. The site feels really great. The building design's great. The units, the finishes, coming out really fantastic. Mooresville as a whole, I think our thesis is playing out. We're probably going to be about 6 months early on our plans. I think our speed here is fantastic. And I think we're seeing our competition is kind of at the tail end of their lease up. But after that, we don't really see any real material supply coming into this market for the foreseeable future. They're still very, very restrictive on their zoning and approval processes. They've put some moratoriums in place in certain pockets of Mooresville. I think our location is fantastic, and we've got a great site here. Construction-wise, we're doing good. We're keeping schedule. Knock on wood, budget's holding really well. The area around us continues to develop in the form of, good retail. Our neighboring development across the street is basically 55 and over rentals for 2-bedroom units with, they're kind of like patio homes with an attached garage, but targeting $2,500 to $2,600 a month in rent, where, our 2-bedroom flats are more in the neighborhood of $1,500, $1,600. So really, really strong, great property, great location. Knock on wood, construction-wise, again, I think we're going to come in, pretty much on schedule and likely, a little bit under budget is the goal. A lot under budget's the goal, but, we're tracking in line here. Water connections have been made, landscaping's ongoing, main drive complete. We did get our first 3 leases on the property. We've also engaged our retail broker for the retail pad there that we're putting up. They were super excited about it, very, very bullish that they were going to be able to attract some good quality tenants for us. And I think that's a great value proposition also for the property. So stay tuned. We look forward to keeping you updated. Thank you all for the opportunity you gave us here on this one. And look forward to getting this one closed out in 2026. Thank you.